Hello my friends, welcome to my kitchen. Sorry, it's a bit of a grot at the moment, but look, hashtag reality. Is hashtag still a thing? Are we still saying that these days? Today I want to share with you my absolute favourite biscuit recipe. I know it off by heart because I have been making these biscuits since I left home. I asked my mum for her best biscuit recipe. I put it in my little recipe folder that I made before I left home, and that is the one and only biscuit recipe I have been using since then, which is 20 years ago. Isn't that weird? This year is my 20-year reunion for school, and I just can't believe that it's been 20 years since I've been out of school. Crazy. Anyway, this is the best recipe ever. It is completely versatile. You can make it gluten-free if you want it, vegan. Also perfect for lunch boxes, doesn't have any nuts in it at all, and you can customize it. Perfectly customized. Anyway, this is my one and only biscuit recipe that I love and I use pretty much every week. All right, let me share it with you. Heat your oven to a classic 180. Now, question, why don't our damn ovens have a 180 sign? Because seriously, we always heat it to 180. So why don't they just have a convenient thing like the 150 and the 200? Don't you reckon, sons? You'll need plain flour, minus the cocoa on top, self-raising flour, not that sugar. I have to keep the brown sugar up here, hidden away from my children, because they go to town on it. Anyone else have that problem? And then you also need, not chia seeds, but choc chips. You'll also need some butter and an egg. I use egg replacer. What's wrong, Sonny? Distracted. I was making a reel for Instagram and I didn't hear the timer go off, and now my biscuits are a little bit crispy. Or they actually look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, they are a little bit extra crispy. Okay, go and do yourselves a favor, guys, and make those biscuits ASAP. They are amazing. I cannot tell you enough. Can't wait to see you again next Thursday. I have a little kitchen renovation video in the pipeline. See you next Thursday. P.S. Do you guys care about your animals sitting on your bench? My mum, when she comes up here, she absolutely hates that Sonny goes on the bench. But I'm just like, meh, whatever. He's fine. He's chilling. And we don't eat meat anyway, so, you know, he's not getting into anything at all. The worst that he does is lick the water out of the faucet, to be honest.